Ever pondered the crucial role technology plays in enhancing road safety? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into a remarkable innovation designed to keep you in line, quite literally. Imagine you're cruising down the highway on a lengthy road trip. The hum of the engine is lulling you into a semi-trance and your eyes are getting heavy. Suddenly you drift a little too close to the lane markings. But before disaster strikes, an alert jolts you back into focus. This, my friends, is the magic of a lane departure warning system. But what exactly is a lane departure warning system, you ask? Well, it's a type of technology used in many modern vehicles, designed to alert the driver when the vehicle begins to move out of its lane on freeways and arterial roads. It's like having an extra pair of eyes on the road, dedicated to keeping you safely within your lane. So how does this clever piece of tech work? Let's peel back the layers. The secret sauce lies in a camera mounted on the windshield, which captures real-time video of the road ahead. This camera is your vehicle's vigilant sentinel, constantly scanning the road for lane markings. But a camera alone isn't enough. The real wizardry happens in the image processing algorithms that analyze the video feed. These algorithms use pattern recognition to discern the lane markings from the rest of the road. If the system detects the vehicle veering too close to or crossing these markings without a turn signal, it triggers an alert. This alert could be a sound, a vibration in the steering wheel, or even a gentle nudge of the vehicle back into its lane. So, to recap, a lane departure warning system is a real-time safety feature that uses a camera and image recognition algorithms to detect if a vehicle is drifting out of its lane. If it detects a potential lane departure, it promptly alerts the driver, helping to prevent accidents and enhance road safety. This system is an excellent example of how technology can help us to be safer and more attentive drivers. It's like a silent co-pilot, always on watch, ready to step in when fatigue or distraction might lead us astray. Technology has come a long way in ensuring our safety on the roads, and with the advent of systems like the lane departure warning system, it's clear that the future of driving is brighter and safer than ever before.